EMS Consulting Group has been providing high-quality training for over 20 years. This brief video explains how our virtual lean training programs work. All of our virtual courses include 3 to 4 key elements. First, there will be online audio-visual presentations in our e-learning system. Participants go through these lessons in between sessions at their convenience. Next, there will be several live sessions of 2 hours each. During these sessions, participants will be engaged in applying key concepts in small groups using a powerful collaboration tool called Miro. Thirdly, at the end of the training, participants will take a multiple-choice test to demonstrate their knowledge gained. Some courses, such as our Lean certification program, require completion of a project as well. This is what the e-learning system looks like when you go to the website to log in. You will receive login instructions when you are enrolled in the course or after the first live session, depending on the course. After you have logged in, you will enter your course. There are several chapters. Each chapter includes the audio-visual modules to watch between sessions. In the e-learning system, each lesson has a short video to watch, and there are practice quiz questions after some of the video lessons. Under the lesson entitled Course Slides and Notes, you can download a reference PDF that contains slides and notes that correspond to all of the e-learning videos you'll watch. This is yours to keep after the class has been completed as a reference. Some courses are available for registration as an individual or small group, but all of them are available to be customized for our clients as needed. If you prefer fully self-paced training without the live sessions, we offer those e-learning courses as well. Some of the virtual live programs offered include our Certified Lean Practitioner or Lean Certification Program, Lean Six Sigma certifications including Black Belt, Green Belt, and Yellow Belt. We offer a Lean Healthcare Certificate Program and a Lean Software Development Certificate Program. We also offer A3 problem solving, value stream mapping, 5S, and other topics as virtual programs. These can be customized to suit your exact needs. What about the benefits of virtual training? First, we have flexibility. Instead of requiring full days of training sessions are broken up into smaller increments. This makes scheduling much easier. Next is cost. Travel cost is eliminated, and supplementing live sessions with e-learning reduces overall cost further for the client. Finally, convenience. If you have team members in multiple locations, virtual training makes life easier. To learn more, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and click Contact Us with any questions.